Stockton Roofing Installation and Repair. Your roof is one of the most expensive parts of your home. Why not take care of it? Replacing the roof on your home increases your curb appeal, the value of your home, and gives you peace of mind. Plus, a new roof, whether or not you install solar, too, can improve energy efficiency, drastically decreasing the cost of your utility bills. You can count on Semper Solaris if you are looking for any of the following: Stockton Roofing and Solar Company, Stockton Roof Replacement and Installation Companies, Stockton New Roof Installation and Old Roof Repair, Stockton Roof Repair Company, Stockton Roof Service Companies, Stockton Roofing Contractor, Stockton Roofing Service Company, Stockton Roofing Materials and Installation, Stockton Roofing and Roof Replacement, Stockton Solar Roofing Install Company.